Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created only for an educational purpose. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. In this channel, I am going to share my knowledge about technical analysis, that is price action trading, not responsible for any financial losses. Trading in financial instrument is very risky. Please contact your financial advisor. And once again, welcome to daily market review. That's June 4th. If you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the like button and share my videos. This is the hour 4 Nifty chart. In this chart, price heading towards the upper leg of the channel. Nifty price break all day resistance high and heading towards the upper leg of the channel. In my early reviews, I mentioned clearly price is traded in ascending channel. Now price might going to complete to this pattern. Price might hit this upper leg of the channel around 16,000 area. So stay bullish in Nifty. In hourly time frame, Nifty breaking yesterday high, this range, yesterday range. So price heading towards the slowly heading towards the upper leg of the hour 4 ascending channel. So if price makes any retest to this zone, so we go for search for long opportunity in Nifty. Nifty is very clearly bullish price action, so we only search for long opportunity in Nifty. In Bank Nifty, this is the hour 4 chart. Price I am already mentioned in my early reviews. Price traded in a ascending channel. Now price heading towards the upper leg of the channel around 36,500 to 37,000 area. This is the optimal area for resistance zone. So short seller. So we expected a bullish price action in Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty in hourly time frame, price trading in between this ascending channel zone. Now price is heading towards the complete this pattern to this area around 36,000. If price hit this zone, we might see some selling here. So until price hit this level, we search for only long opportunity in Bank Nifty. In hourly time frame, price makes a range here. So if this range break above, then we expect a very good bullish price action in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. We just wait for breakout. In 15 minutes time frame, today I mentioned this zone. Once this range break, we expect some bullish price action. So I mentioned in my Telegram channel. So here price is in range. If price break above this 35,700 area, then we expect a very good bullish price action in Bank Nifty. Or else if price break below this zone, so we expect some bearish price action, but directional bias for long term is very good bullish. So we only search for long opportunity in Bank Nifty. In HDFC Bank, in my early reviews, I mentioned price breaking all this resistance zone, breaking above. So we expect a pullback. Now I mentioned here, wait for retest to go long. So price might keep range here. If this range break above 1520, so we expect a very good bullish price action in HDFC Bank. In hourly time frame, yesterday I mentioned this is the lower leg of the channel. If price hit this leg, we expect a bounce. So same thing happened today. Tomorrow we just wait for breakout of this 1520 area. If this 1520 area break, then with a momentum candle, so wait for some retest to this area and then we decide to go long. Price is very bullish, only search for long opportunity in HDFC Bank, because price might try to hit the upper leg of the ascending channel around this zone, around 1580 level. In ICICI Bank, this is our 4 chart. This is also traded in ascending channel, so price might try to hit this upper leg, but before hitting the upper leg, price facing resistance here. Now price is traded in between support and resistance. Yesterday I mentioned this zone. If price hit this confluence zone, we search for long opportunity. Now today price hit that area and bounce back. In ICICI Bank hourly time frame, we expect some range here. So if this range break above, then we search for long opportunity. Immediate resistance is around 6780 level. If this level also break above, then we search for a long opportunity. So price I expected to make some range here before breakout. So stay bullish in ICICI Bank also. Price might try to hit this upper range, so this is resistance zone, so this is a support zone. So price might make some ranges here before breakout. If price break below 640 area, so wait for pullback and search for short opportunity until this lower leg of the channel, price break this lower leg of the channel, then only we search for short opportunity. Now price is very bullish, so we stay bullish in ICICI Bank also. In Kotak Mahindra Bank, price facing resistance here, resistance and confluence of resistance here. This is also this trend line acted as resistance. Now price in from so many days traded in range. So yesterday I mentioned I expected to break out outside this range. Today some breakout happened, and before that I will show you. Yesterday I mentioned this area, if price retest this zone, we go for long here. So I mentioned my arrow mark here for long opportunity. See here, price makes some flat top triangle, so upper zone of the triangle is broken out, so we expect a pullback to retest this zone. So retest is also over. So yesterday I mentioned this area, search for long opportunity in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Today price make a very good bullish move in Kotak Mahindra Bank. I'm expecting to break this area also. This area, if price break this area, this is the very good for long opportunity in long time trading. It's a swing trading. If price break above, wait for retest. If price breaking with a momentum candle, wait for retest this zone, and then we decided to go long in Kotak Mahindra Bank also. So stay bullish. In SBI Bank, price sitting above the resistance zone, so stay bullish in SBI Bank also. For entry, we just wait for retest this zone again. So nothing much in SBI, stay bullish. In Reliance Industry, price, this is the day chart, price traded in descending channel. So price break this upper leg of the descending channel. So price sitting above this channel area, upper leg of the channel. So we expect some little correction here. Then if we find any reversal here, we decided to go long in Reliance also. So but I expected some correction in Reliance Industry. In hour 4 time frame, price facing resistance here, resistance. If any retest to this area around 2100 zone, this is the very good for long opportunity in Reliance Industry. If we find any reversal here, or else if price break above, then retest, then we go for long opportunity. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my Telegram channel, link is in below description. Have a profitable day.